Good morning, everyone. A warm welcome to Vali Auntie, the parents of grade 6, the teachers, the soaring seagulls, and all our middle school friends to another whimsical Wednesday.
Today, we are excited to showcase grade 6 students sharing their experiences from the middle school electives.
Now, we request everyone to please rise up for the KC anthem.
The world like eagles in the sky. KC high, colors of the earth, yes, we are KC high. KC high, ever shining brightest in the cloudless sky. KC high, colors of together here at KC high. Trust and patience, listening around us. Always a team, family values bind us. The elements unite us, they drive us ahead. Our houses, our colors, the values we spread. Friends and our teachers, collective spirit. They lift us to soar every beating minute. KC high, soar above the world like eagles in the sky. KC high, colors of the earth, yes, we are KC high. KC high, ever shining brightest in the cloudless sky. KC high, contemplate together here at KC high. Ignite the spark, you could be the change the world a little bit every day. Prithvi and Jal, Agni and Pawan, come together to build star power. One day KC family, resilient and strong. Our hearts filled with pride as we're singing this song. Not just a tagline, it's not just a rule. We here at KC, we're more than a school. KC high, soar above the world like eagles in the sky. KC high, colors of the earth, yes, we are KC high. KC high, ever shining brightest in the cloudless sky. KC high, we can play together here at KC high.
Our lectures offer students the chance to explore their passions, develop new skills, and engage in hands on activities.
Let's dive right in. First up, we have editorial edge.
Hey, have you seen this newsletter? It looks so interesting, but I have no idea where it came from.
Yeah, I've seen it before. I wonder who made it.
Hey, I can tell you all about it. I'm Akansha and I'm in the editorial edge team that creates this newsletter.
Oh, that's so cool, but what exactly is Editorial Edge?
Well, editorial edge is an elective where we come together to create a middle school's newsletter. Every month we write articles about events, festivals, and important happenings around the school in that month. Each of us picks a topic and we brainstorm the ideas together.
But how do you make it look so professional?
We get to be creative about the layout too. After finishing our articles, a few of us help design the layout. Our student editors revise our drafts with feedback from each other and carefully proofread everything. Our facilitator, Shamla Auntie, helps us make sure it's perfect before it's published.
Wow, that's
so,
amazing.
So you're involved in everything.
Yes, we split the work actually, and the best part is highlighting the big events, like Sports Day. For instance, in January, we focused a lot on that.
Thank you so much for sharing, Akansha.
Thank you, Akansha, Tarun, and Dhriti. Aditi, have you ever negotiated for screen time with your parents?
Always a struggle, but let's hear how Aditi Ravi mastered the art of negotiation skills.
We use super skills all the time in our everyday life, whether it's negotiating with our sibling for screen time or finding out how to fix an error in our project. But what makes a successful negotiation? How do you find the best solution? Find out in Super Skills, where we explore the fields of influencing, negotiation, and my personal favorite, solution thinking. We do case studies, real life examples, Kahoots, and competitive activities to make our learning even more fun and engaging. I recommend this elective to you because as you grow up, super skills is going to become even and even more important no matter what job or you have or where you are. Don't miss out on an opportunity to prepare for your future. Thank you.
That was insightful. Next, let's take a journey through time with the Heritage Club.
Hello, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to the Heritage Club. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey. We will be exploring fascinating topics like GI tags to explore the unique products from our region, do heritage mapping to know more about our village, and learn the world history to know about the past and how it shapes our present. Also, learn the world's religions to explore different cultures and beliefs.
Wouldn't it be amazing to see some of the world's greatest wonders?
Yeah, but how? We're stuck in the 60th century.
This is Mahabalipuram, the jewel of South India. It was built by the Pallavas in the 7th century. It's made of granite and it tells the story of the gods.
It feels like we're in a whole different century.
The Taj Mahal was built as a token of love.
Wow, it's more beautiful than the pictures I've seen.
The Sundarbans, home to the Royal Bengal tiger, one of the most biodiverse places on earth.
It feels so wild and untouched.
It's like we're part of the forest. Can we go again? Can we go again?
Absolutely, but next time, let's go back to the future.
What a fascinating experience! Now let's welcome our contest math enthusiasts.
Hello everybody, we're Vian and Arun from grade 6 and we're here to talk to you about contest math electives.
Have you ever heard of those long problems that take 1 hour? Well, we solve them in few minutes with Python.
Contest math mainly focuses on questions from contests like the AMC, Haskell and Gauss contests. And to all aspiring mathematicians in grade 5 coming into grade 6 next year, contest math is the elective for you. Thank you.
Thank you, Vian and Arun. Did you all know we have some rising chess champions in our midst? Let's hear from Shravan and Ved about competitive chess.
Hello everyone, I am Shravan and this is Ved from grade 6. Today we are going to talk about competitive chess and Ved is going to explain on what we do on Mondays.
So on Mondays, we play tournaments in an app called LIChess. You might think we play against people all over the world, but no, we play against our friends in class, which makes it even more fun. We also play tournaments. We also play Poland games and other custom tournaments. Now, Shravan is going to talk about what we do on Wednesdays.
On Wednesdays, we watch videos on strategies which help us to play games. These videos are fun and help us learn at the same time. Thank you.
That was impressive. Now moving on, weaving is all about patience and precision. Let's hear from Tara and her friends about their experience in weaving and felting.
Good morning, esteemed guests, fellow students, and girls and boys of grade 5. Today, we are here to share with you our journey through weaving and felting. My name is Tara.
And I'm Niralya. Weaving is a textile art which involves two sets of yarns, wrap and weft. And this is the weaving machine where we weave.
Through my journey of weaving and felting, I have observed its many advantages. Some of them being it increases concentration, hand-eye coordination, and can reduce stress in difficult times.
Felting is a crafting technique where we use a special needle to mesh fibers and we use
this special needle to felt.
Here are some examples of our creations. These are examples of weaving done on a loom. This is hand weaving and embroidery. And these two are felting. Thank you.
And now, for the loudest of them all, Debate Club. Let's welcome our passionate debaters, Zaria and Pragnya.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Zarya.
And my name is Pragnya.
And today we will be talking about debate club. So a debate usually goes like this. There are two sides, one for the motion and one against the motion. And they both debate against each other based on the topic. And the moderator, in this case our facilitator, Ayush, chooses the winner. But that's not how most of our debate sessions go. Most of our debate sessions are filled with fun activities which engage us in the debate topic.
Debate helps us improve certain skills like critical thinking skills, speaking clearly, and listening carefully. Debate clubs help students learn more about how to express their thoughts and feelings. And debate's a really fun way to learn. Thank you.
That was powerful. I think I've just picked up some public speaking tips. Now, let's welcome Rebecca and her friends to talk about upcycling and sustainability.
Hi, my name is Rebecca, and in upcycling and sustainability, I do woodworking. So, in woodworking, we get to create our own masterpieces from scratch. My recent project was a decor stand to keep natural flower petals in, and it's really simple to make. For most projects, we just usually plan the project, measure the pieces, and then we cut the pieces, we sand the pieces, and assemble them. But not for all projects we do the same thing. Sometimes it may differ, but it's a really nice pleasure to finish the project.
Hello, parents and guests. My name is Arav, and today, me and my friends Jazania and Sai will be explaining what we do in upcycling sustainability. I'll give you a short explanation. We catch frogs and other creatures and explore their species and habitats.
We went around the school and discovered its species. We also caught a rare insect called an anthea.
We caught many frogs and discovered their actions and where they live and what conditions they live in, and we hope to make Earth a better home for us and the creatures around us.
We dug worms and nurtured them to find research about them to find out the habitat and the food they eat.
Thank you.
Now, Aditi, did you know we are the state-of-the-art robotics lab? Let's hear from Sankalp about his robotics journey.
Hello, we are going to be talking about robotics. Robotics is where we code instructions for a machine to follow its orders.
With different codes, you can code different machines, such as robocars, robots, well, pretty much anything.
The challenge was the code was complex for it to code, but Rahul sir is there to assist us.
We used different components, as in the HW12 ultrasonic sensor, motors, node MCUs, and much more.
The fun moments were us constructing the robocar with various components.
We assorted them into groups with wheels, motors, screws, anything.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, friends. Lastly, we have Kickstart, the Entrepreneurship Club.
Hi, my name is Nidhi and my name is Kriti. And today we're going to talk about our elective, Kickstart, Entrepreneurship Club. Are you ready to unleash your creativity? Now, what is Kickstart? Kickstart is where we explore business in a fun and engaging way with hands-on activities. And we learn skills like teamwork, problem solving, and communication skills. And maybe even one day you can start your very own business. Kickstart provides experienced teachers and supportive peers along the journey. And I promise you, it's a lot of fun. Over the past few weeks, we've been learning about promotional skills. As a fun activity to help improve our understanding, Condenser assigned us all random products for which we had to design promotional slides. Here are a few examples. The first one for popcorn was done by Digant of grade 6. The next for waffles was done by Mitra of grade 7. Thank you. Thank you.
And that brings us to the end of our elective showcase. A big, big thank you to all of our speakers for sharing their learning journeys.
Thank you to all our grade 6 participants. As you can see, electives are more than just extra classes. They are opportunities to grow, explore, and express ourselves. Now, moving on to our next segment, which is the Gallery of Achievements. Let's talk about our representation in SGFI. Shravan from grade 6 participated in this tournament. From grade 7, Ariana Oberoi has made history by winning a silver medal at this tournament as well in the sub-junior category. Johan Arun from grade 7 will be representing cricket at the Chengalpet district. Diti Venkatram, that's me, Pragnya Kodan and Kayal Karuna, who are all grade 6 students, had participated in the ICF tournament held on the 25th and 26th of January, where our team secured the gold medal. Mahima Shri and Shringavi Gowda advanced to the second level of the Harvard Undergraduate Science Olympiad, ranking among the top 100 students. Shringavi secured the 5th spot. Congratulations to all our grand winners. Let's applaud for them. Let us now hear news from the KC community by Anika and Kaden.
The INME outbound trip is a trip filled with lots of adventure and fun. This year, grade 6 is going to Coorg and there'll be lots of activities like ziplining and even rock climbing. And everybody's really excited for it.
Linga Fest is a cherished tradition at KC, where authors from all around India will come to KC to explain how they became an author and to give tips to the children in KC to how to become one. Thank you.
Thank you.
Coming up now is our new section in our assemblies called Little Lessons, Big Impacts. This aims to showcase real-life meaningful moments from our classrooms that reflect the values we nurture among ourselves. We would like to call on Zaria and Venba, who are going to share their experience while mentoring grade 8 students.
Hey Venba, remember when we choreographed for the coffee table event?
Oh my god, how could I forget? That was such an exciting experience.
Do you remember how we even got that opportunity?
Yeah, we were just messing around after school movement until Vali auntie called us into the art room.
Yeah, and she told Vimal sir, who's sitting there, that we were the new choreographers for one of the songs in the event.
Then we all headed to the movement room where Vimal sir was kind of pacing around trying to figure out how to choreograph the next dance.
And this entire experience wasn't just about building choreography, but building confidence too. Honestly, being a part of it was such a proud moment.
Yeah, and seeing everyone perform so beautifully was surreal. It felt special for us to collaborate with the 8th graders, and of course for Vimal sir too, as he taught us everything we need to know to choreograph this dance.
Remember that emotional moment when everything came together so well?
Yeah, it was really nice to see everything turn out really good.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's invite the grade 8 dancers on stage to showcase the dance.
Yeah, sure, let's do it.
Welcome to KC High. Teachers are kind and generous. Proud to be at KC High. We are all courageous. We are all equal. Where kids have wings all day. We are all unique. Where we love to learn and play. We are all having fun. We are all solving sums. We all shine like the sun. We are a KC High. We are all having fun. We are all solving sums. We all shine like the sun. We are a KC High. When we go home, we just learn some more.
for that meaningful sharing. I would also like to give a special mention to Zubin, who participated in the U12 pod tennis tournament. I would now like to call on Tarun, who is going to move on to the next part of this assembly.
It is now time to show respect and pride. Let's all rise for the national anthem. I request all of you to stand in attention. Before we wrap things up, we want to take a moment to thank the wonderful people who made this event possible. We would like to thank Sam Anna, Shrikant Anna, Jagan Anna, Madhi Anna, and the facilities team for the arrangements today. For the recording of the assembly, Selvan Anna. For the editing of the recording and uploading it on the school website, Swayam Aunty. For the music today, Paul Sir, Jonathan Sir, Alankrita from GG, Riaz from 8th grade, who have played for us today. Let's give them all a round. Not forgetting a note of appreciation for the Soaring Seagulls and parents who have joined us today.
And thank you everyone for being such an enthusiastic audience. Keep exploring, keep learning, and have a fantastic Whimsical Wednesday.